Welcome to lesson 6 of YCT standard course. Today we are making sentences. 你为什么变瘦了? This means, why did you change and become skinny? 你为什么变瘦了? 你为什么变瘦了? 因为我要去健身房，而且吃得健康。This means because I am going to the gym and I am eating healthy. 因为我要去健身房，而且吃得健康。因为我要去健身房，而且吃得健康。Show means skinny. Show. 健康 means healthy. 健康健身房 means gym. 健身房 means gym. 健身房This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment. Hit the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.